What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna check out departure. Now, you know we was here last time and we got a whole tour of what's coming. But today we're gonna see how much progress has got done from the last time we was here. So take a ride with me upstairs to departure. G-Money here for Restoring a Princess, and we are back for Departure Part 2, the sequel, and we are back with Mirto.
Hey.
How are you, bro?
Hey, I'm doing good, G-Money.
So we're back here, and we see a lot of things have changed.
And we're still on track.
All right, so let's start here. I see the guys are doing the floor. What exactly is happening here?
Well, the terrazzo floor, I think we are on our fifth layer of polishing the terrazzo. If you look down, you can see some of the aggregates are starting to pop. It's not as white as it was the last time we were here.
Oh, yeah.
You're starting to see the different flavors of the colors that are coming out. There is a good contrast, as you can see. There's a couple of areas that they really shine, like where they're working right now.
Right.
But then they covered it again because there's still so much work that needs to be done on
Dust and dirt and people still walking back and forth.
And if you can feel, it's a bit cooler.
Yes, and it's a bit brighter.
Let there be light!
All the lights are
And
on.
we could turn on the air conditioner now because now there's not as much dust in here anymore.
Right.
'Cause everything was going into the system. It was clogging the units. So we had to use a lot of fans. Now the air conditioning system, we refurbished it.
Yeah.
We have it now turned on, so it's a lot cooler in here now.
Yeah, it was really stifling in here, especially the days when the sun was beaming. It was really hot. I see you got some work going down with the sea gates. I see some of the walls are going up.
Correct. The sea gates are coming along. That's going to be right next to the smoke room and a 4 gate.
Okay.
Those are coming along.
Okay, we also took a little look at the bathrooms down there by the sea gates.
Correct.
Looking pretty nice.
With the way the contractor is working, they're focusing their energies mostly on that side. They're coming down.
Is there a reason?
There's a reason because we have concessionaires that need to come in as well. So we are trying to make some room so that the concessionaires can also get in to start doing their
So
work.
they can start loading up and start getting ready for October.
Because we're giving the concessionaires a shelf. We're going to close it off, give them a shelf. They need to make sure that they fix the ceilings, fix the floors, and be able to put in all of their units.
Okay.
So it's a mix that we're doing where we're kind of handing over spaces to the concessionaires for them to be able to do some work.
So you guys are, like I said, you're working down, but you're still getting some stuff on this end.
There's guys on every level of this building right now.
Wow.
There's people on the top floor because they're going to be handing over upstairs the executive offices. They're going to be handing over this level in October.
Okay, so I see a lot of also wiring and air conditioning units. Also, looks like they're ready. Am I correct?
Almost ready.
Almost ready.
Okay. I think we just need to finalize some of the connections and they should be able to turn them on.
Okay, all right. What's this right here? This staircase? This here? What are we looking at here?
This is the A3 bridge. So this is normally, you see this is encased.
Right. Okay.
And over here we have the gate. So when you're checking from the gate, you will come, you check in.
Okay.
As you're boarding, you're going to be boarding this direction into the bridges.
On the bridge is right here.
Correct.
Okay.
And when you're coming from the bridge, you come out, you can take the staircase, you can take the elevator, or you can take
the escalator.
There you go.
Which has
not been installed as yet.
Not been installed yet on here. And this is the brand new thing.
This here will be installed once we give the contractor the downstairs, the operational area that we're in right now.
Okay.
It's a puzzle. Gee, it's a puzzle.
I know, because it's a
We're moving people around all over the place to make sure.
And
you got to make sure we get space for the contractor to be able to move forward.
Okay.
And a lot of the work can be done during the day because of all the noise, the dust, the fumes, a lot of complaints we get from the operational section. And we even had an issue where water spilled on people because of what was happening up here.
I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry.
Really?
So it's very, very challenging sometimes to get things done.
Yeah, and it kind of slows you down a little because you're like, I can't work here because there's people here. The airport's still open. I have to wait to go. Right. And I want to go fix this, but I can't fix this area.
Especially when it comes to jackhammering, that's a no-no. When they were doing the polishing up here, I think they're using a little bit softer pads now, so that can be done. But when they were using the rougher pads, we had to stop them.
How'd you stop that?
Wow. A lot of noise into the operational section of the airport.
Okay, now this looks nice up here. All this is going to be executive offices?
Those are not, well, they are going to be offices on the executive level. Some of them are going to be airline offices, some of them are going to be airport offices.
Okay.
The airport is expanding a bit. We have more departments coming online. We want to be a bit more on top of a lot of stuff that's going on at the airport, so we're expanding the departments, especially IT. IT is going to be a bigger division here at the airport.
Because you guys have a lot of new equipment that works on the internet, IT, and computer-wise. Whether it's the baggage system, whether it's the screening system, all of that is, everything is computerized nowadays. Wow. And you want to work with numbers, so we need to be able to grab that information and do something with that information once you grab it. Okay. So all of these, as you can see, these are new offices. Okay, which one's yours?
I'm not sure yet.
Your new office. How great is that, right?
Was this the area that you guys made out longer? Or?
Correct.
Correct. You brought it out a little bit longer, so you had to support it and everything, and now you have more room, more
Well,
office.
the platform was always there.
Right.
It was just never being utilized. It was kind of wasted space. So now we're taking advantage of that.
Wow. That was like a kind of a key issue with the old airport, a lot of wasted space. Sort of. Come on, you can be honest. Sort of, little space that wasn't really used.
It was used. It was a lot better than what we had before.
Okay.
But of course, as we were in the building for like 15 years, we saw we could use this. How can we maximize the spaces here? But you didn't want to make another level because then you make it too congested. You didn't want anything to be too congested, so we have a still open floor plan, but there's areas that we could have maximized that did not infringe on the space.
Okay, all right. Well, Mirto, it looks so far so good.
A lot of work.
A lot of work. October's coming up close.
Yep.
And I gotta say, from the last time we was here, for the last episode we did till now, you can see a ton of improvements.
And there's still a lot more to be done. And we're really working closely with the contractor to make sure we stay on this timeline.
Okay. Well, I think we need to come back to do another episode, you and I, for
whenever you're ready.
Whenever we're just about to open up, or just we're almost there.
So let's book our calendars for October.
October?
Yeah.
October it is.
There you go.
All right, thanks a lot, bro. Hey, it's Restoring a Princess, and make sure you check future episodes. And of course, October, right here at Departure is where we're going to be back filming our next episode. So keep it right here. Restoring a Princess. It's your boy G Money.